2024 roll demonstration. The Chinook fulfills many operations jointly by 18 Squadron, the premier frontline operational Chinook Squadron, and the Joint Helicopter Support Squadron, known as JHSS. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please turn your eyes to the sky for the 2024 Chinook roll demonstration. If you listen closely, you can hear the gearboxes working just that little bit harder as they cater to the extra weight. The Chinook is famous worldwide, not only for its ability to carry 3 underslung loads simultaneously, but also its load carrying capacity, both externally and internally, achieving an impressive range of 300 miles. The team are now positioning to drop off the underslung load in front of you. Dropping off an underslung load applies a rope bus and effective communication process between all 3 members as pilots or enables. Once safely on the deck, the JHSS team will having successfully dropped the gun, Duties will manoeuvre the aircraft forwarding down away from the load to allow the troops to disembark and set up in Eastern RAF fences that offers specialist skills in underslung load operations, including rigging, hooking, and the preparation of landing sites. Next, the aircraft will conduct an over-the-shoulder departure. This is the dynamic maneuver used to quickly move the weight management threat in front of the aircraft as they climb and build rear with momentum systems, looking towards potential threats for the maximum amount of time. As group flies past, will keep the speed back, present the starboard weapon systems to the threat side, and give the troops on the ground maximum support whilst they conduct their mission-critical tasks. If you've got a camera handy, the dog room provides a cracking opportunity. They primarily work with our UK support helicopters, including the Chinook, Cuba, and Burley, providing specialist helicopter land site reconnaissance and movement of essential supplies by internal and external loads. Exactly as you can see through today's demonstration. Every major conflict in our 40-year history, and the team today is led by Sergeant Lawson, an RAF mover with a team of 4 Royal Logistic Corps, 3 Army Air Corps, and 2 RAF, demonstrating their capabilities. Carry a wide range of vehicles internally, including armoured fighting vehicles, motorcycles, and quad bikes with trailers. Having been tied down securely throughout the flight, the team will now instruct the quad bikes to demonstrate how quickly to be offloaded from the aircraft to optic forces the troops already on the ground. Quad bikes are often used in conjunction with trailers to transport ammunition resupplies and other mission-critical equipment around the battlefield at pace. The aircraft can quickly depart the area while minimising the risks presented by different threats on the ground. The team have worked hard to deliver an impressive display of their capabilities. From today, and operating at the #1 crew position is Sergeant Aaron Woodward. Born and raised under the bright lights of Blackpool, Woody joined the RAF in 2012 as an RAF regiment gunner. Woody is a survival instructor and crewman trainer, and is keen to contribute to the next generation of the Chinook force. Woody and Malin are working together seamlessly to secure all personnel and the cabin. As Woody dons the iconic orange hands to wave the final goodbye, Cosford, can I ask that you all put your hands in the air in a huge wave to the sea. We love seeing your photos and videos, so if you've taken any good ones today, we'd be grateful if you could tag us using the hashtag #BelayFlap. As a reminder, you can find us over at the RAF today for today, where we've got meetings here at the very front of water as well. On behalf of myself and our team, thank you so much for watching our display. We hope you enjoy the rest of the day here at Cosford. One last time, please put your hands together for the 2024 World Demonstration. Well, what a great demonstration for the iconic Royal Air Force it is by the Royal Demonstration Team. A huge team effort. Not just those involved with the aircraft, but of course all the ground troops.